Hello everyone, my name is Pranitha. My USN is 4SN22EC037. My branch is EC and my identity topic is solar roadways. So let me say about solar roadways of introduction. A solar roadway is a road or a pathway that has solar panels integrated into its surface, allowing it to generate electricity from the sun's energy. The idea is to utilize unused space on roads and highways to produce renewable energy while also providing a smooth and safe surface for vehicles and pedestrians. Solar roadways can be designed to withstand heavy traffic and weather conditions, and they can be connected to the electrical grid to provide power to nearby buildings or the grid itself. So the components used for solar roadways are solar panels, substrate materials, concrete, asphalt or plastic to support the solar panels, cables, inverters and transformers to connect the solar panels to the electrical grid, sensors to monitor temperature, traffic and solar energy generation, control systems to manage power flow and optimize energy generations, batteries for energy storage. So the advantages are generates clean renewable energy, reduces dependence on fossil fuels, can be installed in locations that are not suitable for traditional solar panels like roadways and parking lots, can provide power to the electrical grid or directly to nearby buildings and communities, can improve road safety by providing better lighting and visibility. So the disadvantages are high installations and maintenance cost compared to traditional solar panels, relatively low efficiency in energy generations compared to rooftop solar panels, limited lifespan due to wear and tear from heavy traffic, weather conditions, concerns about durability and safety as the panels could be damaged or slippery in certain conditions. Potential issues with the glare from the panels which could cause safety concerns for drivers. Thank you.